Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter number 9 of class 8th. Name of the chapter is Algebraic Expressions and Identities. In algebra, letters are used to represent a number and these letters are called variables. For example, in arithmetic, if we say 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 or 3 plus 7, we can say 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 or 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So in arithmetic, numbers are used, but in algebra, to represent a number, letters are used. That means a plus b is equal to c, or we can say b plus c is equal b plus a is equal to c. So to represent a number, letters are used in algebra. Next is these letters are called in algebra as a variable. For example, 5a. In this, a is a variable and a number in front of this variable is called a coefficient. That means this is a variable and this number is coefficient. And 5a means a up to 5 times. So 5a represent this number. If we take another number 2a square b, that means 2a multiply b. Here power of a is 2, that means a 2 times and a coefficient and another variable, that is b. So these are the numbers, letters to represent a number. Next is 5a. In algebra, this complete number is called a term. This is called a term which contain a variable and a coefficient. Here a is variable and 5 is a coefficient. If we take another number, here x and y, these are two variables and 7 is a coefficient of this number. So complete this number is called a term. Next is if we have two or more terms and if there is any algebraic sign, then this complete number is called algebraic expressions. That means a number which contain two or more variable numbers and in between there is a sign, then this is complete called algebraic expressions. Let's take one more example. This is an algebraic expressions where this is the first term, this is second term, this is algebraic sign. If we take here 1 is the coefficient of both of the terms. Next is like terms. Like terms हम किन्हें कहते हैं, जिनके पास हमारे पास वेरिएबल सेम होते हैं. That means the terms which have same variable, then these terms are called like terms. For example, if we take 3x, 5x, variables are same as well as power of the variable must be same, then these terms are called like terms. If we take 7z square, 8z square, variables are same as well as power of variable is also same. Coefficient may be changed, coefficient different हो सकता है, but variable must be same and power is also same, then these terms are called like terms. Similarly, unlike terms, Unlike terms, when variables are different, then these terms are called unlike terms. 3x 7z square. If we compare these two terms are unlike terms because we can see that variables are different. 5xy 8x square 1. These are also unlike terms because variable is same but power of first variable of this term is not same comparison to first term, so we can say that these terms are unlike terms. Next is types of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are named with respect to their number of terms which the expressions contain. That means types of algebraic expressions. First is monomial. And algebraic expressions which contain just a single term, then this algebraic expression is called monomial. For example, 9x 8z. This is a single term, comma, second term. So this is just a single term in counting. This is single term. So this is called a monomial algebraic expression. 8z, this is again also a single term. So this is called a monomial algebraic expressions. Next is binomial which contain two algebraic expressions. That means 9x plus 8y. This contain two algebraic expressions, so we say that this is a binomial algebraic expression. 8z plus 7y. This contain again two algebraic expression, two terms, so we called it is a binomial algebraic expression. Third is trinomial, which contain three terms. That means if we write here 3x plus 5y plus 8z, this algebraic expression contains three terms, then we say that this is the type of trinomial algebraic expressions. So this is the basic concept which we need to know before going to start our exercise. Now we will do some questions related to this basic concept. First question is choose the coefficient and the variable. Choose the coefficient and variable between these three terms. In first term, we can say coefficient is 8. In second term, coefficient is 7. And in third term, coefficient is 5. Variables. In first term, we have the variable is a square b. In second term, we have the variables, three variables. These are x, y and z. And in third term, we have n square n. So this is the first question related to the basic concept. Next is classify the algebraic expressions into monomial, binomial and trinomial. 3x square y plus y 5y square. Third is just a single a. Fourth is xy plus yz. Fifth is 9m. Sixth is 11m plus n. Classify these algebraic expressions in monomial, binomial and trinomial. First contain three terms, that means this is a type of trinomial algebraic expressions. Second one contain two terms, that means this is the type of binomial algebraic expressions. Third one, it contains just a single term, so we can say this is the type of monomial. Fourth one, it contains two terms, so this is the type of binomial. Fifth one, just a single term, which is 9m, so this is the type of monomial. Next, it contains two terms, first one is 11m and second one is n, so this is the type of binomial algebraic expressions. Okay.